Alright, it's recording now. Alright, we're gonna do a couple of shots. You can't really see it from here, but down there, straight center and the way back, there's a bush. Right below the bush, right on the edge of the shadow line, you can see a little bright speckle. The sunlight's reflecting off of a little jug. I'd say that's probably 75 yards. Between 60 and 75 yards. Okay, we're going to be shooting CCI 22 long, subsonic low noise 29 grain, which is not a very fast shell, 710 feet per second. We'll have to see how well this does. Oh, I'm also shooting 22 Savage, open sight. Try a little more challenge at 75 yards. The sights are not perfect on these Savages, but we're going to see if we can compensate for that. It's a 10-shot clip, non-acu trigger, which also ups your difficulty a little bit. The trigger's not the greatest, but it does shoot pretty well. So let's take a couple shots. I'm sure I'm going to miss a couple, but we're going to see if we can hit it. And this is low-grade ammunition, just plinking at 75 yards. That's about the max of this ammunition, maybe 100 yards with a scope. And of course, you have to compensate for the drop. It's only 710 feet per second. That's quite a distance to cover. So let's see here. You want to hold this and...
Yeah.
Real quick. Just set it on the ledge to balance it. And down the barrel and zoom in a little bit.
How do you zoom in?
You pinch the screen with your finger. Yeah, and point it down. Zoom back out. I don't know.
Yeah,
That's good. Can you see the reflection of the barrel still? The jug, whatever?
Not really.
Alright, well, just point it in that direction.
Oh, wait. There we go.
Got it?
Now we can see it.
Missed on that one. Nice shot. Just there we go.
You got it. I wonder if they can. Zoom back out.
Sorry if it zoomed out. Just keep it focused down there. There's a good connect.
Yeah, it was.
That was dead and connect, dead center. There's another good connect. Oh. Alright, up in my aim a little bit on that one. And a little higher. I think it's funny how with a subsonic you hear the gun and then shortly after you hear that ping.
Yeah.
Just to the left of it. Oh, I clipped the side of it. I don't even know if they'll be able to hear that. Last round. Let's make this one count. To the left of it. Oh, I connected 4 or 5 times out of... There we go. You can let me see that again. Well, there you have it. Hopefully you can hear it. 75 yards. down to the backfield. Open sight 22 Savage. The low noise 22 Longs. And I don't really like these shells. I normally shoot competition grade ammo, which is a lot more serious than this stuff. But it's fun for plinking, and it's all they had at the time. For 22, I bought the last 300 rounds they had. So there you have it. 22 open sight, 75 yards. Between 60 and 75, and I'm closer to 75. So I'll have to mark it out sometime so I know for sure, but we'll just say 65. Call it even. Still a pretty good shot for open sight on a small target. Is probably 12 inch by 12 inch. So I had 4 or 5 direct connects to the center, and at least 2 where I had grazed it. Again, open sight, if I put the scope on, it's a lot more accurate, out 100, 150 yards with good rounds. So some fun 22 shooting.